Alright, got another unboxing. This one is actually from Bullion. I've never gotten anything through them before, so we'll see how this goes. Now, I've been looking for these at a decent price for a while. The AppMex ran out of rolls of these like, no, probably a couple of months ago I think I saw them on there maybe. But Bullion had them. It was pretty expensive, but still cheaper than buying them coin by coin, or, I mean, it wasn't that expensive, but it wasn't nearly as cheap as the other half dollars that I got. But anyway, I just want to show you. That's right, so I found some Barbers, a place that JM was selling Barbers. I think they were like 190 bucks or something for 20 of them. But they're becoming really hard to find, so I figured I'd quick snatch up a roll of them before you can only buy, before you can only buy one at a time, like how most sites are right now with them. So let's see what these look like. 1905. That's what the back looks like. And look how these things are so old. Like, there's the rim. Well, some of the rims have some notches on them, but most of them look pretty worn down. There's 1907. Another 1907. There we go. Check that out. 1899. 1898. That's what I'm talking about. 1903. Another 1898. 1915. That's in good condition. It's really good condition, actually. Huh. Back not so much, but the front's great. 1903. 1908. 1902. Yeah. It's like a patina on it. (1906), 1908, 1907, 1903, 1902, 1915, 1899. That's almost a slick. That one's like really, really worn. These are all circulated though, so that's expected. 1906. So 1908. So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to grab some before I had to buy them one at a time for a whole bunch of money. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Just part of the collection. Have a good day.